Question 10. A square of side 10 centimeter is measured by a student as 9.9 centimeter. If he uses a measurement to calculate the area of the square, calculate the percentage error. Now, surely, coolly. Now, let's look at it. A square of side 10 centimeter, that means the original area. Now, in this case, they want us to calculate the percentage error in the area. So, we need the area. So, the original area is going to be 10 times 10. 10 times 10, and that's going to give us 100 centimeter square. Why is it going to be 10 times 10? Because we're told it's a square, and the formula for calculating the area of the square is L square. So that's why we're having 100 centimeter square as the original area. Now, for the student measurement, which is the error, so the error area is going to be 9.9 times 9.9. 9.9 times 9.9 will give us 98.01 cm square. That is the error in the error area, or the error area. Now, to now calculate our percentage error, you can say percentage error is going to be the error over actual times 100 times 100. Now here, we need to calculate our error. Now, our percentage error is going to be the error is now going to be 100 minus the error area. 100 minus 98.01 all over the original, which is the actual now, which is 100 times 100. Here we are 100 minus 98.01 is going to give us 1.99 all over 100 times 100. Here 100 cancel out 100, so we are going to have 1.99. So the percentage error here is 1.99. That is option E. Surely, coolly.